Ever thought about taking a wild ride into a black hole? Among the vast mysteries of our universe, black holes are the cosmic roller coasters where gravity is so intense, it's like the universe's biggest "you shall not pass." They are essentially the universe's sinkholes, attracting and swallowing everything that dares to venture too close. So, who can we thank for the discovery of these intergalactic? None other than our buddy Albert, with his theory of general relativity, who was the first to call dibs on their existence. He proposed that space and time are interwoven into a single continuum, space-time, and when a massive object throws a tantrum and disturbs this space-time, it creates a curve. The bigger the tantrum, the greater the curve, and at its extreme, we get the universe's potholes, black holes. So, now that we know what black holes are, fancy a trip inside? Imagine being able to journey into a black hole. What do you think you would see? Embarking on such a journey would first bring you to the event horizon, the boundary of the black hole. Now let's picture the event horizon as the edge of a waterfall. Just like the point where the water begins to fall over the edge, anything that passes this boundary in a black hole is inevitably drawn towards the center with no hope of return. This point of no return is not marked by a physical barrier but rather by an invisible line where the pull of gravity becomes so strong that not even light can escape. As you plunge further into the black hole, you'd encounter a phenomenon known as spaghettification. A curious name, isn't it? Well, it's as strange as it sounds. The term comes from the way objects, including potential space travelers like ourselves, would be stretched and elongated due to the intense gravitational pull. Imagine yourself being stretched thin like a piece of spaghetti, hence the name. Closer you get to the center, the stronger the gravitational pull. But here's the kicker. This pull isn't uniform. The part of you closer to the center would feel a stronger pull than the part further away. This difference creates a stretching effect, so if you were to dive into a black hole feet first, your feet would feel a stronger pull than your head, resulting in you being stretched out. Now this might sound a bit terrifying and frankly uncomfortable. But don't worry, this is all purely hypothetical. Currently, our technology isn't advanced enough to send anything or anyone into a black hole. And even if we could, the extreme conditions within a black hole make it unlikely that anything could survive the journey. Sounds like a wild ride, doesn't it? But what happens when you reach the center? As we venture further into the black hole, we reach the heart, a place of mystery and speculation. This is where we come face to face with what scientists refer to as the singularity. But what is this singularity? Picture a point on a map. This point, no matter how much you zoom in or out, remains a single, indistinguishable spot. That's a singularity, a point in space where all our known laws of physics cease to make sense, where gravity is so strong that space and time become infinitely distorted. Now let's delve into the even more mysterious aspect of this singularity. Some theoretical physicists suggest that this point might be a gateway, a portal to other universes or dimensions. These ideas are akin to the plot of a sci-fi movie, aren't they? But in the realm of black holes, they aren't as far-fetched as they might seem. You see, the laws of physics as we know them break down at the singularity. This means that anything, even the extraordinary, could theoretically be possible. Could a black hole be a bridge to another universe? Could it lead to a different time or dimension? These questions tantalize us, but they remain purely speculative. As of now, we have no concrete evidence to prove or disprove these theories. They are the results of mathematical equations, not empirical observations. It's important to remember, however, that these theories, while fascinating, are based on our current understanding of black holes, which is limited at best. Black holes are the ultimate unknown, the final frontier of our cosmic understanding. They challenge us, they push our scientific knowledge to its limits, and they remain largely a mystery. While the journey into a black hole would be a one-way trip, it's fascinating to imagine what could lie beyond the event horizon. As we continue to study these cosmic giants, we may one day unravel the secrets they hold. Until then, the heart of the black hole remains an enigma, a tantalizing mystery that continues to captivate our collective curiosity.